Hi guys! For today's video ay pag-uusapan na naman natin itong bagong ma-discover natin na virtual assistant na job site. Ito ang Career Magic. So, grow your career with Magic, accelerate your career, and land awesome job opportunities in Magic. We give ambitious people the opportunity to grow. So, let Magic find your next job. Work from home forever. So you can click apply now. Okay, click apply, and then apply to become a Magic Executive Assistant. So this is they're hiring with Magic Executive Assistant, and then put your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and if you have a LinkedIn profile URL, and then have you been an assistant before, and you have to select yes, I worked as an executive assistant in US. Yes, I have some experience or not yet. I'm willing to learn. So, how did you hear about us? Please select and then upload your resume in Career Magic and then submit. So, let's read some uh, information about Magic. So, what services they offer: executive assistant, customer support assistant, virtual assistant, admin assistant, e-commerce assistant. So let's learn about the review. So you can apply. Entrepreneurs, business owner, and executives love Magic. Okay, let's go. So big. Well, they have a lot of positive reviews. Okay. So, kailangan mag-search din po tayo ng meron ba silang mga reviews kung ito ba talaga ay legit na trabaho. And then, okay. So this is the job that they are hiring now. So sales development representative, social media manager, bookkeeper. So you can view all the positions, and then all job opening. You can register your interest. Can find a role that fits. Okay, be a team lead. Job title and location: customer support representative, data analyst, WordPress developer, Google Ads specialist, account lead, full project manager, email marketing, social media manager, client retention lead, account payable specialist, director of sales, account lead manager, creative solution assistant, multimedia content specialist, solar permit and compliance coordinator, recruitment association, survey solution programmer, sales development representative, SEO and SEM specialist, virtual bookkeeper, Salesforce, website design, marketing analyst, account relationship. So you can search for more. Appointment setter, client success coach, real estate operation virtual assistant, and executive assistant, B2B software quality assurance specialist, Shopify e-commerce, marketing operation analytic specialist, influencer marketing coordinator, graphic artist, minimalist, Data analyst education. So this is the job that I think they are this is the skills that they find as magic. So this is view all the currently open rules. So this is 100% work from home. So sa bawat apply po natin ng job is kailangan din po natin mag-research about sa papasukan natin trabaho at kung may idea ba tayo. And uh, I'm just sharing the opportunity, guys, kung saan pwedeng mag-apply as virtual assistant. I'm not connected in this company po, but I'm sharing for those na gustong mag-apply sa kumpanyang ito or job site na ito. So you can search in Google Chrome, and this is the website or job site, getmagic.com careers. So scroll down pa natin. Madami po silang hiring. Madami po silang open na job and 100% work from home. So can find a role that fits, send us your CV and tell us you're generally interested in joining Magic. So yun lang, guys. So if you're interested to apply in this company and ASAP, go na sa getmagic.com. So let's click the get started. So welcome to Magic. Let's give you setup. It takes less than a minute. So I'm a client looking to hire an assistant, or I'm applying to work as an assistant. So let's click this, become an assistant. So you can click the apply now. Apply to become a Magic. So this is it. Again, this is the form that you have to fill up or fill in. Ayan, phone number, LinkedIn profile, same. So I hope this video is helpful for some na kailangan ng trabaho ngayon. And then, don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you!